How to save money on your car. Owning a car can be expensive, but there are ways to save money. In this video, we will discuss some tips on how to save money on your car. In the first segment, we will talk about regular maintenance. Show a car being serviced at a mechanic shop. Regular maintenance is crucial to keep your car running smoothly and efficiently. It can also help you save money in the long run by preventing major repairs. Show a car being checked for oil and tire pressure. Some of the regular maintenance tasks you should perform include checking the oil and tire pressure, replacing the air filter, and checking the brakes. Show a mechanic replacing your air filter and checking the brakes. By performing these tasks regularly, you can improve your car's fuel efficiency, which can save you money on gas. Show a car driving on a highway with a fuel gauge showing the fuel level increasing. It's also important to follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. This can help you avoid costly repairs and keep your car running smoothly. Show a car being serviced at a dealership. Additionally, you can save money by doing some of the maintenance tasks yourself. For example, changing the oil or replacing the air filter can be done with a few basic tools and some knowledge. Show a person changing the oil and replacing the air filter on their car. By performing regular maintenance on your car, you can save money on repairs and improve your car's fuel efficiency. Stay tuned for the next segment where we will discuss how to save money on car insurance. How to save money on your car. Welcome back to our video on how to save money on your car. In the second segment, we will discuss how to save money on car insurance. Show a car driving on a road with an insurance card being displayed. Car insurance is a necessary expense for all car owners, but there are ways to save money on your premiums. Show a person using a computer to compare car insurance quotes. The first step is to shop around and compare car insurance quotes from different providers. You may be able to find a better deal by switching to a different provider. Show a person calling their insurance provider to ask about discounts. You can also ask your current insurance provider about discounts. Many providers offer discounts for things like safe driving, multiple cars, and bundling your car insurance with other types of insurance. Show a person using a device to track their driving habits. Another way to save money on car insurance is to use a device that tracks your driving habits. Some insurance providers offer discounts for drivers who demonstrate safe driving habits. Show a person using public transportation or carpooling. Finally, you can save money on car insurance by reducing your risk. For example, if you drive less, you may be able to qualify for a low mileage discount. You can also reduce your risk by using public transportation or carpooling. Show a person using a bike or walking instead of driving. By taking these steps, you can save money on your car insurance premiums and reduce your overall expenses. Stay tuned for the next segment where we will discuss how to save money on gas. How to save money on your car. Welcome back to our video on how to save money on your car. In the third segment, we will discuss how to save money on gas. Show a car driving on a road with a gas station in the background. Gas prices can fluctuate, but there are ways to reduce your fuel expenses. Show a person using a gas price comparison app. First step is to find the cheapest gas prices in your area. You can use a gas price comparison app to find the best deals. Show a person filling up their car with gas. You can also save money on gas by using a rewards credit card that offers cashback or points for gas purchases. Show a person driving at a consistent speed on a highway. Another way to save money on gas is to drive more efficiently. This means driving at a consistent speed, avoiding rapid acceleration and braking, and keeping your tires properly inflated. Show a person using an electric car charging station. If you're in the market for a new car, consider purchasing an electric or hybrid vehicle. These cars are more fuel efficient and can save you money on gas in the long run. Show a person using a bike or walking instead of driving. Finally, you can save money on gas by reducing your overall driving. Consider using public transportation, carpooling, biking, or walking for shorter trips. Show a person using public transportation or carpooling. By taking these steps, you can reduce your fuel expenses and save money on your car. Stay tuned for the next segment where we will discuss how to save money on car repairs.